Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Shar.realtor. I'm a realtor in the Bay Area, and today we're going to tour this beautiful home in Almaden Valley. This is a 5-bedroom, 5-bathroom home, 3,179 square feet, sitting on a little shy of 11,000 square feet lot. It's in a cul-de-sac in a very quiet and prime neighborhood in Almaden. It is priced at $3 million, but this just went pending last week. If you guys are not familiar with the Bay Area real estate market, it is very, very hot. We're getting closer to the summertime, and a lot more activities are happening in the market. And as you guys know, there are not a lot of homes for sale in the Bay Area, so anything that pops into the market gets sold very quickly, and most of the time over asking. It is a very competitive market, and if you guys are looking for a tough negotiator, definitely reach out to me and I will be getting you guys a very good deal and actually the house that you want. And if you're a seller and you're thinking about selling your property, this summer is a wonderful time to put your property for sale, because again, like I mentioned, there is not a lot of inventory right now because of the higher interest rates, and so you're going to have less competition, basically less homes to compete with, and you have higher chances of getting multiple offers and potentially getting your house sold for over asking. So if you are interested in selling your property, reach out to me and we can have a conversation about your options. Now, before we continue touring this beautiful home, I also want to mention that if you guys are looking for an amazing general contractor here in the Bay Area, my husband Amir, he's a licensed contractor. He works here in the Bay Area, Peninsula, Menlo Park, Palo Alto, all these regions here in Northern California. If you're looking for a trusted, experienced, and picky contractor, he is your go-to guy. And I'm not just saying that because he's my husband. No, he has many references, and you guys are more than welcome to call his previous clients and check out his previous work. Working with contractors could be a headache. It could be very stressful. So it is crucial to find someone who knows what he's doing and who is trusted and gets the job done in a timely manner and within budget. So just wanted to put that out there because I think he would be of an amazing service to you guys. Anyways, thank you for listening to all that. Please go ahead and enjoy the rest of this beautiful house tour. It is absolutely stunning. And if you guys are looking for a house here in Almaden area or anywhere here in the Bay Area, you can always reach out to me and I will be happy to help you guys. Until next time, talk to you soon. Bye-bye.